In this video, you will learn about best 5 minutes chest workout, maximum burn. Can I slim my chest? Do push-ups reduce chest fat? How can I shape my chest fast? Can I hit chest 3 days a week? Feeling short on time but still want a killer chest workout? You're not alone. This bodyweight blitz targets your entire chest in just 5 minutes, leaving you pumped and ready to conquer your day. Here's the fire. Incline push-ups 30 sec. Find a sturdy bench, chair, or even a wall and crank out incline push-ups. This variation hits the upper pecs hard, so focus on a controlled descent and powerful push-up. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, diamond push-ups 30 sec. Get low and bring your hands together in a diamond-shaped, thumbs and index fingers touching. This concentrates the stress on your triceps and inner chest for a sculpted look. Decline push-ups 30 sec. Elevate your feet on a bench or chair and perform decline push-ups. This blasts your lower pecs for that all-important chest definition. Feeling the burn? Modify by doing knee push-ups until you build more strength. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Chest flies 30 sec each side. Grab some dumbbells, water bottles, work in a pinch, and lie flat on the floor with elbows slightly bent. Lift the weights out to the sides, squeezing your chest at the top. Keep your core engaged and back flat throughout. Mountain climbers 60 sec. Get your heart rate skyrocketing with start in a high plank position and alternate bringing each knee towards your chest. Go fast and explosive for maximum calorie burn. Repeat this circuit 3 times for a total of 15 minutes. Feeling strong? Increase the reps or add weight with dumbbells. Remember, proper form is key to avoid injury. Many of us desire a toned and sculpted physique, and the chest is a key area for both men and women. But can you target fat loss specifically in your chest? The truth about spot reduction. Unfortunately, spot reduction, losing fat in one specific area, isn't quite possible. Our bodies tend to store and lose fat based on genetics and hormones. However, don't despair. Here's a 2-pronged approach to tackle chest fat and achieve a trimmer, more defined look. 1. Burn overall body fat. The key to reducing chest fat lies in creating a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. You can achieve this through a combination of healthy eating and exercise. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and prioritize exercises that elevate your heart rate, like cardio or high-intensity interval training. 2. Build muscle tone. While you can't directly target fat loss in your chest, building muscle underneath can create a sculpted appearance. Exercises like push-ups, dips, and chest flies with dumbbells or resistance bands will help strengthen and tone your chest muscles. This can give the illusion of a slimmer chest and improve your overall physique. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for regular exercise and a healthy diet to see results. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about chest fat loss or building muscle? Leave a comment below. It's time to discuss, do push-ups reduce chest fat? Push-ups are a classic exercise known for building chest strength, but can they help you slim down your chest area? Let's dive into the truth about push-ups and fat loss. The power of push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They're a convenient and effective way to build upper body strength at home. But here's the thing, push-ups alone won't magically melt away chest fat. Spot reduction vs overall fat loss. Our bodies tend to lose fat in a predetermined way based on genetics and hormones. This means you can't target fat loss in a specific area like your chest. However, don't be discouraged. Here's how push-ups can still contribute to a slimmer chest. Increased calorie burn. Push-ups are a challenging exercise, and any exercise that gets your heart rate up helps burn calories. This overall calorie deficit is crucial for fat loss throughout your body, including your chest, muscle building and definition. Strong chest muscles create a toned and sculpted look, even if you still have some fat stored. Push-ups build muscle underneath the chest fat, giving the illusion of a slimmer physique. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, the key to success. Push-ups are a great tool, but for significant chest fat loss, combine them with a healthy diet that creates a calorie deficit. Regularly performing other exercises that elevate your heart rate like cardio will also accelerate fat loss. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about push-ups or building a chest workout routine? Leave a comment below. It's time to discuss, how can I shape my chest fast? We all want to see results quickly, especially when it comes to building a sculpted chest, but is there a magic formula for rapid chest shaping? Let's break down the best strategies for achieving a toned and defined chest building vs burning. While exercise plays a crucial role in shaping your chest, it's important to understand the difference between building muscle and burning fat. Here's the key. Muscle building exercises like push-ups, dips, and chest presses target your chest muscles, helping them grow stronger. This creates a sculpted appearance, even if you still have some chest fat. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, fat burning. Spot reduction. Losing fat in one specific area isn't possible. Your body loses fat overall based on genetics and hormones. However, creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume through exercise and a healthy diet will lead to overall, including your chest, the fast track to a shaped chest. There's no shortcut, but here's a two-pronged approach for faster results. Strength training. Focus on a chest workout routine 2 to 3 times a week, incorporating exercises with progressive overload, gradually increasing weight or difficulty. This stimulates muscle growth for a more defined chest. Diet and cardio. Combine your workouts with a healthy diet that creates a calorie deficit. Include cardio exercises like running, swimming, or hike to burn even more calories and accelerate fat loss. Remember, consistency is key. The more you stick to your routine, the faster you'll see results. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about chest workouts or healthy meal plans? It's time to discuss, can I hit chest 3 days a week? Dreaming of a sculpted, powerful chest? You might be wondering how often you should train it. So, can you hit chest 3 days a week? The answer depends on several factors, and we'll break it down for you. Frequency vs recovery. Training chest 3 times a week can be very effective, but proper recovery is crucial. Your muscles need time to rebuild and grow stronger. Here's what to consider. Training intensity. If you're pushing yourself to failure every chest workout, 3 days might be too much. Aim for moderate intensity with room for progression, or split your chest workouts into upper and lower pec. Focus. Experience level. Beginners can benefit from 2-3 chest workouts per week with proper rest. As you get stronger, you might need more recovery time, potentially reducing chest training to 2 days. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, making 3 chest days work. Here's how to structure your chest training for 3 days a week. Focus on variation. Don't repeat the same exercise. Include push-ups, dips, chest presses, flies, and incline or decline variations to target different areas of your chest. Prioritize rest and sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night, and allow at least 48 hours of rest between chest workouts. Consider incorporating active recovery activities on rest days. Remember, consistency is key. Sticking to a well-designed workout plan, even if it's 3 days a week, will yield better results than sporadic training. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about chest workouts or building a training split? Leave